Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Limitless BWL. So today I have a new video for you guys featuring the Urban Decay Naked Cherry collection. I did get sent the products. This video is not sponsored, but I got it in the mail in this super cute packaging. So I just wanted to try it out for you guys today. So it's going to be a fall look. I'm going to show you guys the palette right now. But before I say that, I did film another video where I'm going to look exactly the same. I'm going to be testing out the Born This Way foundation, which is what I have on my face right now. So I don't know if this video is going to be up or that first, but make sure to check it out if you want to see how it felt about this. So let's go straight on into the video. I don't know about you guys, but when the Naked palettes originally came out, like the first, second, and third one, oh my god, I was obsessed. I still have all of them. I haven't even hit pat on those shadows because I would like preserve it because I loved it so much. So let's dig right into this one. Okay guys, so they sent me their eyeshadow palette. I also have two of their Glide On eye pencils in the shade Love Drug and Black Market. I'm going to go into the shades as we start using those products, but I just want to kind of tell you guys what I have just in case you're interested in any of them, so you know what I'm going to be showing in this video. And then next we have three of their Vice lipsticks. We have Cherry, we have Devilish, and we have Juicy. So again, I'll show you guys the shades as we go on, but let's get straight into the palette. So I'm just going to put the box on top of the palette, so on top of the mirror, so you guys don't get blinded. But here are, oh, that just fell. But you guys know that I love their eyeshadow brushes. I still use the ones from my Naked palette. Absolutely love them. They're really good quality. So here's the palette. I can definitely see myself using these darker shades right here. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I feel like kind of going for a monochromatic look with one of the darker lipsticks. So we're going to play with these colors right here. So I already primed my eyes. So the first shade I'm going to go in is with a transition shade. And I'm going to use the shade Juicy, which is right here. This one? Yeah, it looks much lighter there because my camera's kind of watching it out. But it's definitely more of like a salmon-y shade. And we're just going to apply this right in the crease area. Okay, so now that I built that shade up a bit, we're going to go in with the shade Devilish, which is right over here. This is just like a really nice deep burgundy shade. I'm really going to extend this shade out because I want this to be nice and smoky. The shadows are blending beautifully together and the pigment is very true to how it looks in the pad, which is always amazing. I don't know if I want to cut the crease or if I want to just like wet the brush and just keep it very smoky. I actually do want to keep it really smoky. I will do another look with this with cutting the crease. Follow me on Instagram for that. This is the first shade that kind of like caught my attention when I saw the palette. So we're going to go ahead and just put that all over the lid. So pretty. Wow, this color is beautiful. As you guys can see, that is such a beautiful color. I'm sorry I keep playing with my hair because, but yeah, so we're gonna go in with that brown right here, the shade Privacy. I'm just gonna use the same brush that I used with the burgundy, just so there's a little bit of a burgundy touch to it, and we're just gonna dab that right on that outer third. I love it. Now we have two of their 24/7 Glide On eyeliners. I hope it's focusing, I can't tell. We have the shade Love Drug and the other one is called Black Market. So I'm going to start off with Love Drug. I really couldn't choose between which one I wanted to line my eyes with, but we're going to use Love Drug just because I always use the black, you know. I might add a little bit black in the outer corner a little bit, but let's start off with this one. Try to keep true to keeping it very monochromatic. I'm going to drag it down a little bit because I really want to smoke this out. I love that, but I'm going to take a little bit of the Black Market, just do it on the outer corner just to intensify it a little bit, but I'm not dragging this down, just keeping it in the lash line. Going back in with Privacy, which is that dark brown, and really going to drag this out and smoke it out. And I'm really just going for it and bringing it down. I'm going back in with Devilish, and which was that like matte burgundy that I used. I'm going to smoke that out even further. Just because I still want that burgundy shade to be there. Debating on putting one of like those coppery shades in the inner corner, but I think I'm just going to stick with Drunk Dial. Actually, no. I'm going to use Young Love for the inner corner, the shade right here. Okay guys, I absolutely love how the eyes look, so I'm just going to go ahead and put on my lashes and we'll do the rest. Okay guys, so I'm sorry. I'm starting to film in my basement now, and I realized that I should start to film earlier because my nephew is back from school. He's upstairs and he keeps walking around. I feel bad to tell him to like not walk around because it's not his fault. So if you guys hear footsteps, it's because I'm in my basement. There's a lot of people upstairs right now, but I'll make sure to film earlier in the day so that doesn't happen from now on. So here we have the eye look. I just put on some like really nice dramatic lashes. These are from the Bold Face. I wish I knew the name, but I don't. I'm pretty sure it's the style Go Big or Go Home. So now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and do our lipstick. So we have 3 lipsticks in the collection. The shade we have is the shade Devilish right here. I'm pretty sure I have another Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the same exact color, so I'll probably put this one in a giveaway for you guys. The next shade I have is the shade Juicy, and it's such a beautiful champagne-y shade. As you guys can see the packaging, it's super cute too. It has like cherries on it, and the writing is like in pink. And then we have the shade Cherry, which is the shade I'm going to be using today. Now that I'm looking at the shades, I really like the shade Juicy too, which is that like nude color, but you know what, it's a fall look, so we're going to go full out bold today with the first shade, with the shade Cherry. So I'm going to line my lips with the shade Homegirl from Kat Von D. I'm going to line it as we normally do. So let's go in with the shade now. Ooh, I love it. It matches my lip liner perfectly. Okay guys, so there we have the final look, and I absolutely love how it came out. I really hope you guys like it as well. Also follow me on Instagram because I will definitely be doing more looks with this eyeshadow palette because I am obsessed with it and the colors and all of that good stuff. My overall opinion is I love the eyeshadow palette so much. Absolutely love it. I love the colors in it. I think it blends beautifully on the eyes, and it actually complements dark skin tone very well, the darker shades at least, but I feel like it has a very good combination of shades. The only really the shades I feel like won't be that amazing on me is probably like these 3 shades, but you can always use them for brow bones, transition shades and stuff, so it still works really well. For the majority of it, like more like 75% of the eyeshadow palette would work really well on our skin tone, so I definitely recommend you guys trying this one out. And as for the lipsticks, I think the colors are super pretty. The only thing is, you guys know I'm more of like a matte lipstick kind of person, but saying that, this color is really beautiful, and for anyone that likes something very hydrating on the lips, this would be a great option. And as for the eyeliners, I think Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On liners are one of my favorite eyeliners. They are amazing. All the shades, I absolutely love them. So no surprise there, I knew it was going to be beautiful. So saying that, that is the end of this video, and I'm so sorry I keep touching my hair. I'll remember that for next time. That is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to click that thumbs up button, you know, maybe even subscribe, because it would mean so much to me. And on that note, that is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!